Cicadas for his lunch. Munch, munch, munch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Who eats cicadas for their lunch? I have a hunch. It's a bunch of cuckoos. How y'all good looking happy people doing out in TV land? Frank Bunday coming at you from the garden. Just chilling. I got about 15 minutes before I thought I had about 15 minutes before lunch starts. But look at the time. It's exactly lunchtime right now. So I figure I'd go live for 5. Show you guys a little bit of what the garden looks like. But looks like I'm not going to have time to do that. What can you do? A little pathway up to the gazebo. There was a frog over here croaking a minute ago. Let's see if I can see it. There's the gazebo. Little poetry hanging out. All right, that's enough for now. Just thought I'd say hi. Live for 5. Cicadas for his lunch. Munch, munch, munch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The old man down the lane is really quite insane.